made a lot of fried chickens. Iba't ibang klase na. May Korean, may mga chicken wings, may Kanto style, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero ito, parang nalimutan kong i-share sa inyo. This is a fried chicken na natikman ko lang sa street food in Vietnam. Literally comfort food dahil kada kagat mo nandun yung lutong and nagburst yung mga Asian spices, Asian flavors na ginamit sa pagbabad ng chicken. So today, let's cook Vietnamese style fried chicken! Ayan, naggagayat lang ako dito ng lemongrass. I'm using the white part only. Around mga 3 to 4 stalks ng tanglad. Yung pangbabad muna to ng ating chicken. Over here, I have chicken thigh fillet that I got from the grocery store earlier. Mga 1 kilo lang. If you want to use chicken breast, go. Ayan o, tignan mo. Pag ginayat mo siya, you can actually extract the juice. This is my favorite lemongrass. Dagdagan ko pa ng isa. Nakaka-relax yung amoy niya. And of course, lemongrass also has an antibacterial effect. So healthy siya. And this is ginger. Just around a teaspoon or 2 of grated ginger. That's it. Eto naman, saan mo dadalhin to? Pwede mong gamitin pampabango or kung gagawa ka ng mga stews, curry. But for this recipe, gusto ko kasing gamitin lang is the white part. Okay, into the chicken. And then I'm also going to put a splash of lime juice or calamansi juice. Wala akong lime, so I'm using calamansi. Just a good splash. Splash of fish sauce. And then it's really up to you if you want to make this spicy. Pero ako, ang gagawin ko is yung sauce na lang po ang papaanghangin ko. And just give it a good mix. Ayun lang, lemongrass, ginger. I think I forgot something. The garlic granules or garlic powder. Hindi po minced garlic ang ginamit ko kasi napansin ko, parang nasusunog siya pag piniprito, pumapait. Kaya garlic powder, just a bit of garlic powder. Ang bango. And this one, ibababad ko lang siya for around an hour. I'm just making sure na kumalat yung tanglad. Okay? And then I'll just leave it here for around an hour. And I'm going to wash my hands. Gawin natin yung sauce. And to make the sauce, it's very easy. This is called nuoc nam or the Vietnamese dipping sauce. Wala namang standard recipe na kung ano yung kailangan yun lang ang ilalagay mo. Basta importante, you put the fish sauce, the sugar, and the lime or the calamansi juice. But today, to make it more refreshing, I'm putting cucumber. Tinatanggal ko lang yung gitna para hindi siya masyadong magtubig. Kasi the problem is, pagka nagtutubig yung pipino mo, masyadong nagiging light yung lasa ng sauce. Then you just cut it into small cubes. Just like that. To make it very refreshing, extra refreshing. And eto yung papaanghangin natin. So meron ako ditong siling labuyo. Put your cucumber here. You can prepare this ahead of time para mas manuot na yung flavors. Okay? And I have here cilantro that I got from the grocery store. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the roots. Nilulubog ko yan in cold water para mag-crisp. So this is the roots. Don't throw this away. You want it to get infused in your nuok nam. Okay? Just finely chop it. Ano ko na nga kasi mapapatapon lang naman yan. You want to finely chop it para talagang lumabas yung mga essential oils. So good. Kung gusto mo lagyan ng onions, pwede mo din lagyan ng onions yan. O, lagyan na natin ng isang piraso. Total nandyan, nagparamdam yung sibuyas. Okay, and now let's put some sugar. Ito po talaga matamis. So maglalagay ka ng marami-raming sugar, mga 4 tablespoons. Kung ayaw mo naman siyang matamis, ay di bawasan mo. I forgot the sili. Sinabi ko na kanina yun. Nalimutan ko pa. Pag ganito, no, medyo madami kong nilalagay kasi parang ito is not the local sili. This is imported already. Yung local medyo mahirap na din maghanap. Actually, may tanim kami. Kaso lang, parang wala nang bunga. Ayan. And then you put your lime or calamansi juice and your fish sauce. Bubuksan ko na yung fish sauce kung ganito kasi marami-raming kailangan. Just mix it. Parang sausawan lang ng fish ball or squid ball. Pero ito po ay medyo mas ano yung lasa. Ano bang explanation ng lasa nito? Parang mas Vietnamese. Okay? You want to mix it thoroughly until yung asukal ay matunaw. And then titikman natin. Believe it or not, kulang pa sa asukal. Yung dami ng asukal na nilalagay po nila dito sa sauce na to. Yung mapapansin mong lumapot na yung sauce because of the sugar, parang arnibal na. That's it. Perfect. I feel like I needed to add some cilantro leaves. Okay, this looks good. So, ibabad pa natin yung chicken and then let's fry it next. Okay, so now it's ready. Mga nakaisang oras din to na binabad. So, I have here egg whites and this is just cornstarch. It's as easy as this. So, itong chicken mo na binabad, lubog mo na mabilis sa egg whites, tapos sa cornstarch. We're doing this para talagang kapit na kapit yung cornstarch sa egg white. Sa egg whites tuloy, sa chicken. Okay? And gumawa ka muna ng mga 3 bago mo ilagay dun sa pan with the hot oil. And as you can see, I'm using used oil. No bashing. Pero kasi pag used oil yung ginagamit ko sa fried chicken or anything fried, talagang mas, alam mo yon, mas malinamnam yung fried chicken ko. I'm going to change gloves. And make sure you fry this over high flame para malutong yung labas. Nice and moist yung loob. And then I can start breading the remaining chicken. Right? This looks nice. Diba? Look how nice and crisp. And then, ito namang next batch. Hindi ko na nilinis yung mantika, ha? Kasi doon sa kalsada, sa street food, hindi na niya nilinis yung mantika. O, diba? Para mas authentic. Ginaya ko lang. And then, pagka-prito niyan, ito na, ready na. Ang ating plating. You have the options to chop it. Ang lutong po niyan. Oh, nice. Diba? Pwedeng naka-chop, pwede din naman buo-buo mong ilagay dyan. Ang bongga, pwede ko na palang tikman, diba? Palamigin muna natin ng konti, tapos tikman na natin. Okay, let's try! Habang fresh, ilulubog mo yan dyan sa nuok nam. Dapat pala, tinikman ko munang hindi na ilubog. Oh, ito. As promised, talagang malasang-malasa yung loob. Yung nilubog sa nuok nam. Parang na-miss ko tuloy bigla ang Vietnam. Masarap siya, pero aaminin ko mas masarap talaga yung nakain ko doon. I'm sure may mga secrets silang nilalagay. Ang sarap. And you know what? Perfect to with rice. Pero yung doon, ang naalala ko, may rice noodles, parang bihon, sotanghon yon, na binubuhusan din ng nuok nam. Pero I'm sure sa rice mo to gustong i-partner. So kung saan mo man gustong i-partner ito, basta gumawa ka na. Because it's extremely super duper good, and pwede mo din itong gawin sa pork. You can use pork chop or even liempo, or pwede din fish para sa mga hindi mahilig sa karne. I'm going to see you also.